Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to check what is the speed of RAM in our computer as well as the type of RAM that we have. Okay, let's start. First is you need to go for this Windows icon and do a right click and go for Task Manager. So the moment you open your Task Manager, just expand it and go for Performance here at the left side and go to Memory. Here at the upper right side, in my case I have a 4 gigabyte of RAM and the memory usage is 3.8 gigabytes of RAM. And at the bottom, I can see here that the speed is 2933 and the slot used is 1 out of 2. Okay? So let's check what type of RAM that we have in our computer. Okay, just press Windows and R key together to open run and then type cmd. Again, type cmd, then click on OK. Then the moment you click on OK, this black windows will appear. Here, just have to paste this command. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this in the description box below. Just copy that and then Control C to copy and then Control V to paste. And it will ask you to allow just paste it anyway. And here in my computer, it shows that the memory type is 0, meaning that I am using a DDR4 ROM. But if in your case it shows 24, then you're using a ROM which is DDR3. But if it says 21, then you're using a DDR2. Okay, so that's it. That's the steps on how to check what's the speed of ROM and what type of ROM you are using. So let me know in the comment section below if what type of ROM is your computer. I mean, what type of ROM do you have in your computer as well as the speed of your RAM that you have. Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Might as well share this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.